So you might be wondering what this video is about. My sim rig and my editing and everything is all done in a foldable play seat. I have so little space, I've finally bitten the bullet and I'm actually building myself a sim room and a little YouTube studio just to make my life a lot easier. So this video series will be documenting everything from that. From the build up to the kitting it out to actual placement and stuff. I've got some pretty cool ideas. So I'm going to run through it here. So as you can see, I'm actually really tight on space in here. It's literally the tiniest little corner in a box room. As you can also see from here, I've actually got wardrobes and chest of drawers in here. So this definitely is not good enough. So just a quick breakdown what's currently in my room. I've got my Moser R9, my Moser FSR wheel. Then down on the floor you can see my Fanatec V3s and my foldable XR rocker, which I've actually bolted to the desk to make it more stationary and permanent. I then have my curved screen, my little side screen for all my overlays. I also have my webcam, which I use for streaming and filming any little bits I need for videos. I actually, as you can probably see from this, I don't even have room for a keyboard or mouse, so that is all done on my lap. So leaving my room, you're now going to see the new area which is being built. Got to go out into my back garden, and I used to. So the story behind this is that used to be a brick shed. As you can see from the neighbours in the higher area, I live in a very hilly area, so we're on different levels every single neighbour. So basically, what's happened is the shed has now been extended out. The roof was collapsing. You can see by the state of it. Yeah, I've stripped it down already, but the roof was collapsing. So I figured, why not make it into a work office, sim room, that type of thing, all at the same time. So one of the things you'll notice is the existing brickwork is not very good. Case in point, this area just here. This is actually, believe it or not, this has been done by previous people, painted, and it's actually just expanding foam they've used. Instead of brickwork and mortar, they've done that wall there with expanding foam. So that's also going to be ripped out and redone. The Hessian is covering my new walls. Obviously, we are in the winter, so it's to keep the frost out. As you can see, it was literally a brick shed. This will be fully kitted out and fully converted. So if you're interested in this sort of thing, make sure you give me a subscribe to catch up with all the future updates there's going to be. So currently, I'm working in an area of 1 meter wide by 2 meters long, and realistically, it's ridiculously small. My new area though is 3.3 meters long and 2.4 meters wide. That is 4 times bigger. There's going to be some really fun, cool trick bits in it, like a finger scanning door entry system, so I can only get in if a programmed finger. I'm also going to have all the wires hidden, run through trunking actually inside the wall. It's also going to have stuff like a external breaker, so just in case I don't trip the whole house, I just trip this one room. It's going to have the heating. I'm going to have a sofa in there for my boy, hopefully if it's big enough. And yeah, it should realistically up my game on what I can film, what I can stream. A new sim rig, that's another thing I forgot. But yeah, should be an absolute game changer for me. I hope you're looking forward to it as much as I am. And to be fair, I'm only investing this money because I've seen how well my channel's done. You guys have inspired me to do this, making better content for you lot. Okay, so if you are interested in watching this, make sure you are subscribed. I will try and keep this updated. The new roof will be going up on Tuesday and Wednesday next week. So I'll get a little update from there. I can then do the flooring and then I can fit the door. And then from there on, we're on to the fun stuff.